T-Mobile Connect offers free in-flight texting, calling, and data to T-Mobile postpaid customers on participating airlines. You'll need an active postpaid plan to be eligible. Prepaid plans require an upgrade. One line per account can activate the Connect service for free. It gives you unlimited in-flight messaging and voice calls to the US, Mexico, and 22 other countries, including Canada, the UK, and Germany. Data is unlimited but throttled to 2G speeds after 22 gigabytes per month. To use T-Mobile in-flight Wi-Fi, first download the T-Mobile app and enable Connect under Services. While on the plane, connect to the airline's Wi-Fi network, such as Delta Wi-Fi or United Wi-Fi, and authenticate using your T-Mobile phone number. This service is available on many airlines including American Airlines, Alaska Airlines, Allegiant Air, Delta Airlines, Frontier, Hawaiian Airlines, JetBlue, Southwest Airlines, Spirit Airlines, Sun Country Airlines, United Airlines, and Viva Aerobus. Note that availability can vary by flight, especially on some international routes.